Welcome to another video of Miss T Ideas. On today's video, first of all, welcome to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome back. I'm so glad to have all of you guys here. I'm going to share something with you today. When you feeling lost or you don't know, you just don't have that to do some kind of, to create. Let me show you what helped me out yesterday. And a lot of times, okay, because you're going to feel like this. You're very normal. It's very normal to feel like this. And what I did yesterday, I made it to my my work area, my crafting desk, and I sat here and I began to doodle. You know, I got pencils and things to, to doodle. I just began to draw. And in the process of my drawing, I made some collage photo. I like to watch Trashy Treasures. She makes fodder. And I just started doodling, and this is what I made yesterday, y'all.
History is made as Bar Hut will be the first team in Louisiana.
Alexa, cut out. Alexa, cut it off. Alexa's a hot mess, y'all. Alexa's a hot mess. Okay. I got my coffee with me. Because, honey, my coffee is my peeps. You know, if I don't have this coffee, before I do any recording, my voice is down like 4 or 5 octaves, okay? I could almost sing bass for somebody's choir. And bass tenor when my octave is down. So I gotta get my coffee before, I come and do a video, or y'all gonna think somebody hijacked me. Okay, here I go. I started drawing, and this is some of the things. I know y'all have seen it. Some people actually don't know what fodder is, and all right, I'll give them that because I didn't know. And I just started drawing. And you add that to your journals. You collage with it. It's called collage fodder. And I just started making little things. You can put it on your journal. Just cute stuff. It's whimsical. Okay? So this is a doodle. This is not a draw. This is a doodle. And then it started getting good to me. Y'all start putting eyelashes on them. Yeah. I like these the most. I start putting eyelashes on them. I'm trying to get them that the thick eyelash line, that line we try to capture. I'm trying to help them out. And the way I drew this, I have my granddaughter has some little plastic thing here, and it's shaped just like this. And what I did was I looked at it and I drew it. I looked at it and and I doodled it. And I have these new markers. They call it imaging markers. Whatever they're supposed to be. And I like these colors, and I started drawing. Doodling this. Doodle. It's a doodle. It's not a draw. And I put them in this little binder I got from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Y'all know I like to recycle. I like to upcycle. And I like to encourage people that think they can't create, that they can, and they think it costs a lot to create. No, it don't. All of this paper here you see that I've done this with, this is recycled cardstock. That's what it is. Recycled cardstock. Now, I'm gonna push these to the side. I'm not gonna be before you long. I just want to let you know when you feeling stuck, try to make your way to your desk or your workspace. Cause our hands like to move. Before you know it, you're gonna be at least doodling on something and creating something. Now these here, I could trim them some more. Of course, when I put them in my journals and send them for Happy Mail and just this and that, I'm gonna cut some more white off of it. I like the that on there, but I'm gonna of course dust it, with my inks, with my distress oxide, and with doodling, it don't have to be the color of the thing. I'm gonna show you what I mean. I want to step outside the box. Since it's whimsical, I want to step outside the box. And I want to believe that a heart doesn't have to be red for Valentine. You doodling, you can make it whimsical, you can make it whatever color you want. There you go. I'm just going to get myself out of thinking, oh, it's a heart is, a heart is just used for Valentine's Day in February. No, we're gonna reroute that heart. You could make a whole notepad out of a heart. I know you know. I know you know. So we just gonna kick that mind frame to the curb. A heart can be any color. There. We just saved it up for one day. That's not fair. A heart can be any color. And that's my take on the heart. And I made some more stuff. Maybe you can still see it. And all this was cardstock, a lightweight cardstock, and some paint pens. And I also use this whole ruler, because I can't draw a good circle to save my. I got a few more. I done this. I wouldn't, I just set to the desk. Not a plan, not a thought. Just sat down at the desk and began to do this. And it made me feel better. It really did. It made me feel better and made me get something done. So, I hope everybody's been doing fine out there. The weather is beautiful. The weather outside is beautiful. Y'all know I sit in front of a window. A big picture-like window. This is my butterflies. I just doodled up some of these. This one don't have no head. That's okay. That's okay. It's okay. I can't believe I got this many done. I think this is over 100. And I like, I've done this before since I've been doing videos. Make these mushrooms out of paper, book page. Those are at least, some of them are the ones I've been having. And then I just started doodling up some mushrooms. I make people. I like people. This is a book page. Just Now I know I'm not gonna make this video long. This is just, you know, just showing you some ways to create and get you back motivated when you don't feel motivated. And it happens, y'all. It happens. I don't like this one. I didn't try none of the rest with a face, and I just tried this one with a face. I don't like that. And this here, I don't think nobody can say they can't do this. I just took my pencil and I just went around like in a circle square. That's that. And that's that. Collage fodder. And let me tell you, I like it. I do. I like whimsical things. There's a place for everything in this world. A place where you want to feel whimsical. A place where you want to be imaginary. You know, a dream. You know, you just dream it up. And you know what? We need to have a dream these days. We need to find something else to put on our mind, because there's a lot going on in this world. Okay, I'm going to put this up. Put this to the side then. I'm going to put it to the side. I like to keep it. I like to keep it on its own little turf. Let's see. Okay, it's 11 minutes. I want to show you one more thing. Y'all know that I've been gel printing, right? I've been gel printing and I've been playing with cards. The ATC cards. I've been making my own cards. And this here is recycled paper. I recycle and I upcycle. I refurbish. That's what I like to do. So I took my rollie. This is some cardstock. Yeah, I like this side better than this side. I didn't know this was going to happen. Okay, this is a bonus. I may use this side. I took my paint. I put it on there and I rolled it. I didn't even get my gel mat out, okay? Now this is here, I hand painted this one. This here is just something else, okay? And these circles, I got them from the circular ruler that I showed you. This here is all recycled paper. And this one here, I decided to glue some vintage paper to it and gel roll it. Same here. This one has some vintage paper behind it. I'm just doing different things. This one here, I just gel rolled it. This is black. And it got a little silver in it. I mean, I like it. I'm cutting it, you know. When you cut it, you don't know how good it could come out. Yeah, I just gel rolled this, honey. One day while I was sitting in front of the TV, I gel rolled it. I started to put some spots right there. I didn't know how that would do. But this is what I get out of this paper. I may be showing you a lot today, but I got other videos showing you these ATC cards I'm making. It's out of the paper that I made. Paper that I made. This is something that's not done. See? This is this. It's the same. And some of them, the ones that I haven't started on, I put the prints myself too. Y'all know I stamped the prints myself and I gel rolled the background. But stencils is great. Some of them may not look the size because they're not done. Okay? These are plain. It's just the paper. I cut them. It's the cards. And you know, ATC cards come. ATC cards got a measurement 2.5 to 3.5. Okay, just those two are finished. And I like to, when I cut them, I like to keep them a little bigger. That way I can do the corners. I can trim them up and stuff to find out the last finale. You know, this here is the paper I just showed you. That gel print. So I make my own. I make my own cards, ATC cards. My orange here. And you can too. Books and papers that you not using, not going to use, you know, flyers that come in the mail, that's cardstock. And if you want to get into ATC, these cards here is the standard size for ATC. It's called ATC is art trading cards. It don't mean you have to trade them. You can keep them. You can keep them just to look at. I wanted to see if my little card folder was somewhere close by. I got a card folder, y'all, that I put my cards in. So cute. So cute. So cute. Okay, that's fine. See that right here? That's fine. But I got it from the dollar store. And it holds like 50 cards. And the cards that I have that I'm working on, they're in there. But this is the standard card. I got my little stuff on side the desk. I got my little things to decorate them. But yeah, I made these out of gel print. I just cut them. I put them on my cutting sheet, my cutting board, like we all have. Look, I cut them. Well, yeah, we got such a little space to work in. I be looking all around while I'm at my desk. And yeah, that's that. I hope y'all got something out of this video. You know, when you're feeling stuck, if you could make your way to your desk, your crafty place, and just sit there. I just sat here. And before I knew it, I was doing something and enjoyed it. Well, this Miss T Ideas. I'm not going to hold you no longer than this, because I'm going to get back to enjoying this beautiful day. I hope y'all enjoy the day. Have a wonderful time. This is vacation time. The kids are out of school. Spring break. I'm going on a trip, a family trip, sometime in May, June. Okay. Yeah. Please like the video. Subscribe to my channel if you'd like to. I'd appreciate you being here. And it helps the algorithm if you hit the like button. This is Miss T Ideas. I'll see you next time on another video. And hey, we're here to create and make things out of things. Anything's possible. Trash into treasure. Anything's possible. Use what you have. Old books. Use what you have. I'm going to get off of that soapbox and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.